In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Shopify store step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Next, select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor, where you can edit your storefront in real time. Inside the theme editor, navigate to the page where you want to add the video, such as the home page or a product page. Now click Add section and scroll through the available sections until you find Video. Select the video section and paste the URL of your YouTube or Vimeo video into the video link field. After adding the video link, customize the section settings like heading text, layout, autoplay options, and video placement to match your store's design. You can also add a short description or promotional text around the video to make it more engaging for visitors. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner to publish the changes to your Shopify store. Adding videos to your Shopify store is a great way to showcase products, explain features, build trust, and improve customer engagement. Thanks for watching.